What's the meaning of chic? Chic. Chic.
Chic. Chic. The word chic is an adjective used to describe something stylish, elegant, and sophisticated. It suggests a sense of fashion that is refined and tasteful, often characterized by simplicity and understated complexity. A person or thing that is considered chic is typically seen as fashionable, desirable, and prestigious. Chicness can be associated with a particular era or cultural movement, such as the 1920s or the bohemian lifestyle. Overall, to be chic is to embody a certain level of elegance, sophistication, and good taste.